can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Supreme Motion Logo tee and the summer tees, which are set to release this week for Supreme Week 18. We got a whole bunch of leaks that I do want to cover, like Fall Winter 2020s, North Face, a bunch of different things. We don't have the official drop list for Supreme this week as of yet. That video will be coming out tomorrow, but today I want to cover some leaks when it comes to sneakers, just the streetwear culture. If you guys would like more of these type of videos, slap a like on this one down below. Subscribe to the channel if you would enjoy more of this type of content. Also, make sure you go ahead and click the Gleam link in the description because the giveaway is going to be ending at midnight today if I'm not mistaken. You definitely do not want to miss out. I forgot when it is exactly, but I feel like it's going to be within today and tomorrow. You definitely don't want to miss out on this giveaway. There's going to be 5 winners, and hey, if you're not subscribed already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe because there's another banger giveaway coming soon. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. Okay, so we're going to start this video with the news for Supreme Week 18, being that the Motion Logo tee is going to release this week, including like 7 more tees for the summer tee week. This is one of the weeks that you definitely do not want to sleep on. One of the banger weeks for this Supreme season, and I feel like with this Motion Logo tee, it's going to be a great set of tees. I got some names for the tees that are going to be coming out, but this Motion Logo tee is definitely going to have resale. It's definitely probably my favorite tee that's coming out this entire season. Besides box logos and shit, this is what I definitely would like to keep in the personal. This Motion Logo tee has to come home with me. It's probably my only priorities for this week, and I gotta have it, bro. Either way, I gotta go for this tee right here. But it's gonna come out in like 7 different colorways if I'm not mistaken. I love that black, the green, the purple, the yellow. Every color is fire in this tee. Every color is clean, bro. Definitely would love to have either one of these, but we also do have like 7 more tees. I'm gonna name out some of the names. We got the split tee, the pitbull tee, the domino tee. There's like a leaked mock-up which is hilarious. They got the Domino's pizza and the pitbull. That shit is hilarious. We got those two. We got the social tee, the lizard tee. The social one might be like a reference to everything that's going on. I don't know what's going on with these tees, but we got the marble tee, and then we got the killer long sleeve. When it comes to tee week, I typically be going bananas. I might end up going for every single tee releasing this week. I just feel like all of them are hard normally. Like this tee is fire. The whole collection of tees that dropped with this, I bought every single shirt, and I feel like most of them are actually really hard. But aside of that, we do have more Supreme news, being that the Air Force Ones will not be restocking anymore this season. I'm assuming they might bring them back next season, but for this one, it's over for that shit, bro. It's over for the AF ones for spring summer 2020. Also, Supreme stores will be opening back up this Thursday in New York, and a couple other stores as well. I do have a picture of them loading stock into the New York store right here. Sign up is gonna be on Tuesday, which is tomorrow. So hey, if you're trying to go in store, make sure you go ahead and sign up and don't miss out on that. It's also almost confirmed that we're gonna get the VANS collaboration this week. It's also almost confirmed that we're gonna get the VANS collaboration this week. I feel like the VANS collaboration is actually pretty hard. It definitely could have been better. As far as the slip-on goes, I wish they would have did the old school and just had like the denim punched holes on the side of it like they did with the high top ones. That would have been fire, and then just have the Supreme Arc logo on the back. That shit would have been hard, but they didn't decide to do that. So for these, I definitely feel like I would end up going for the high top. I just like the all black with that Supreme Old English font on the back. The small details with the hole punches, not all over with it. It's like a little subtle, you feel me? You see it, you know what it is, but it's not OD. I actually feel like these might end up doing okay, especially in that black high top color. The high tops are definitely gonna do better. It's almost the same price retail for both of them, and you get a lot more with the high top. Definitely a better sneaker in my opinion. Resale might be there, but I can't guarantee it. We do only have a bit more Supreme news, and it doesn't even have to do with the season. It is that the Supreme North Face Fall Winter 2020 jacket has actually been leaked. This is a rumor. I don't know if it's exactly what's going to be coming out, but they're saying that we're going to expect like this fur design on a North Face. It actually doesn't look that bad. I'm a huge fan of that black or like grayish color. They're saying retail for this would be $498, but I feel like this is actually a pretty hard piece. It reminds me kind of like the leopard print Nupsy. This is another Nupsy, which I feel like might end up doing good resale wise, especially like down the line, but this is gonna be coming out for fall winter 20, so hey, that's a little bit down the line. Nothing too far though. It's gonna be coming up shortly. As you guys can see, we're already about to be in July, and August the new season starts, so low-key this shit is right around the corner. That is gonna be the last bit I have for Supreme today. We're gonna talk about some other brands, some Nike, some Bape stuff, but if you guys are interested in cooking up on Supreme this week, I would definitely go ahead and check out Rich Notify. They are a premium Discord, which is only gonna be free for like a day or two, and then it's gonna go paid, so I definitely would recommend you guys to go ahead and check this out if you're trying to cook up on these motion logos. If you need restock monitors, they have a bunch of things that they offer for free as of now. They are gonna go paid shortly, so I would definitely take advantage. They have the best restock monitors. They have everything you would need in order to cook up, resale predictions, different raffle links, just a whole bunch of stuff. Definitely go ahead and check them out at the top of the description, but let's go ahead and get into the rest of this video. So we are gonna be seeing a Bape or like a Ape Tommy Hilfiger collab. This is actually not looking that bad. I do wish that it was an actual Bape collab, but Ape is like the side brand of Bape, if that makes sense. Stupid. This doesn't look too bad though. We have some pieces right here. This tee is not that bad. We got like this summery vibes beach button-up shirt looking ass right there. We got this denim jacket, which is probably the hardest piece. Then you got like this camo hoodie, which is also not bad. There's a couple pieces in there which actually are pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. As we have been seeing, Stussy has been collaborating with Nike to do the Spiridons, and they are actually gonna be dropping a sandal, which is low-key a vibe, because for summertime you need some chancletas, and these Stussy ones are actually not that bad. It's the same Nike ones that you see everybody wearing, but it got some Stussy branding on it to spice it up a little bit. One of the biggest news stories that I have for you guys this week is the fact that Kanye, Yeezy is gonna be collaborating or doing like a partnership with Gap. So you're gonna be seeing these young boys out here at Gap camping out for some Yeezy shit. Like, this is about to be crazy. You're about to be seeing Gap resell. Is beyond me, but he's gonna do a long-term partnership with Gap where they're gonna be doing different collections throughout the years. This is a multi-year deal, so we're gonna be seeing this happen for a while. I feel like if you're into stocks, you should definitely go ahead and get into Gap, because that's gonna go up crazy. Anything that Kanye touches definitely skyrockets, and it's already up 42%, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. I'm low-key debating on entering in some stocks before it gets too late, because as years go on, this shit is gonna make Gap stock go way higher. People are gonna be rocking Gap that have never even thought about buying Gap before, which is crazy. I feel like it's actually really dope that he's getting these kind of opportunities to do bigger brand things, because it seems that he wants to actually help people out. He's actually coming out with this like premium quality hoodie for $60. He's actually trying to have it in Walmart, different stores like that, where you could get it for the low, and it's still Kanye's design, it's still his fabric, still all of him in it, but he's trying to have it for cheaper so people with less money can access his brand. It's actually pretty sick. He's trying to make it like a champion kind of thing. It's actually pretty fire, and the hoodie doesn't even look bad, to be honest. I might actually freak it. We do got a couple more things to talk about, like these Dunk Low Sambas, which are going to be releasing in July 2020. These are kind of like a July 4th-esque dunk in a way. This does have like a, I don't even know how to call it, like a translucent, it's like a weird color changing, like fluorescent looking ass blue at the top. It kind of changes colors from the angle you look at it. It has a red swoosh, some silver accents low-key on there, like a matte gray. Definitely a strong contender. This is probably gonna have some type of resale. I feel like these dunks have been doing crazy, and this is another one not to sleep on. This is definitely gonna be releasing this upcoming month, and I'm probably gonna end up going for it. This is a fire one right here. We got two more pieces to talk about, then we're straight up out the building. I know that you guys have probably heard that Travis Scott is gonna do a Jordan 3. These shits are fire, bro. If he drops these threes, I'm definitely on the line trying to get these bitches. These are actually hard. We have seen like a fake pair circulate, but I don't know how official those are. This is actually like a mock-up we're seeing right here. This is clean, bro. It's gonna have the backwards swoosh. Everything is looking clean. The same like print that was on the dunks is gonna be on these, which is crazy to me. We got one more sneaker to talk about, then we're straight up out the building. If you did enjoy this video, slap a like on it. Let me know what kind of videos you would like me to make, whether it's now, once Supreme season is over, because I actually have been filming some other things, and I do got some more stuff stuff in the works for you guys. But we're gonna be seeing these biohack Jordan 1s release. These are supposed to release September 5th. I feel like this is actually a pretty cool sneaker. It's more on the vibrant side of things, and I feel like I personally can't pull it off, but it's definitely a fire contender. I feel like Jordan 1s typically do good resale wise. They look good on people's feet. I have a bunch of different colorways. As you can see behind me right here, I have a bunch of ones, some of them which don't even fit in the plastic bins no more, but these are pretty clean, bro. I don't know if I'll end up going for them personally, but we'll just have to see down the line. If you guys did enjoy this video, man, slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Click on post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Also, make sure you go ahead and check out the Gleam link, because that giveaway is going to be ending within a day, or I don't even know. I think it's going to end either today midnight or tomorrow midnight. I have to double check, but make sure you go ahead and enter in that giveaway, and I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.